Ka Ophis jong u district sport officer ka Bhoi district minta ka sngi ka khandai tarik u jemang kalas dang no e ka Jingialehkai sport ka balai sngi ka balatip kum ka district level inter school athletics meet 2024 na ka Bynta ki school bapher ki badan hapo ka district. Yakani ka Jingialehkai la Pynlong hamadan NSCA stadium paham CM bat yakani lawan ban kintiu yakalama da uba finally el pariat General Secretary jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kumu kongsan ha ka Jingialehkai uba Gordon S Langste functional manager jong ka DCIC simbut kongsan ba Bobby el Nongbet district sport officer nongpo ba RB Shadap president RBDSA lambat kiwe. Hagani ka limpong Jingialehkai hadu sanpotli ki Jingialehkai kabala phya ru haki lai kerdan kata ka under 14 under 16 but under 18 jong ki kinthai bat shinrang. Hagani ka limpong lawan mani Shim Bynta de ki khna school ni ki lai photli ki school ki badan hapo Bhoi district kabala kwat shadu 6000 shispa khatsa ngut ki rang bat ki Jingialehkai.
So I now declare the district level and the school assembly here for open. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
In the name of all the athletes, I promise that we will take part in the district level in the school athletic meet 2024.
I will take much of your time. Everybody is in a hurry to run. My only point here is to tell you that the government under the leadership of Congress Salma are in support of the Meghalaya State Olympic and also the Directorate of Sports has been doing a good job in the last 2 years in promoting sports. We have seen lots of programs by the sport department in collaboration with MSA by conducting the EPP program, the SAPP program, how to nurture young athletes to become national and then international. Bhoi is one of the district has. We have seen lots of star athletes since 2000 who have been involved in athletics. We have good high jumpers, we have Pynlong Suba, we have Jonas Banglo who have done a good job and only got a job also. Because after the sports now is no more just a game of to get health and physical fitness, but it is a source of income for all the sports persons. So I wish all the students to take their sport seriously, because the government has come a program of giving even cash award for winning even at the Meghalaya Games. So many awards have been given by the government. There's also a new scholarship program that each athlete who have won the zonal are getting 8,000 rupees per month for 1 year. So take this as a news for you to work hard, because if you are school, we support you for your school to college level through this amount that you're getting. So athletics is the mother of all sports. It's not hard to practice. It's not like football, which you have to have 11, 12. I think we need to individually. So as spoken before me, that there's no rocket science to become a good. We have to work hard. So please work hard. The government is very much, any talent that we saw, the government is keen to promote them to become the star athlete and to be the star for the prestige of our state. The national game will be held here in 2027. So we hope that we can spot some young athletes to become the national athlete at the national arena. I wish all athletes the very best and hope to see you at the state level in Shillong and hope to see you take part, because from the state level in collaboration with the Meghalaya district and the Tylli sport will be selecting athletes to participate at the national level. So once more, thank you all the best, and thank you all.